This video is sponsored by English County, Mobile Master, Mohammadi Furniture, Taj Shahi, Nusan Fabrics Clothes Store, Upolis Fashion Store, Shweta Dentistry, and by Edify International School.
Tails is the call. It's a tail. Monkpura Warriors have won the toss. So congratulations.
He's straight. What a shot this is. Couple of bouncers into the fence. Magnificent strike, middle of the bat. I beg your pardon, match referee Mr. Sohail Munshi. Good throw right onto the stance. Oh, this could be mix up. This could be mix up. Wait for the umpire signal, given him out. This is unbelievable. Ganesh Kulkarni cannot believe his luck. He won the single, but Anil Kumar Rathod said no. It was a good decision by Anil Kumar Rathod. Shot of land ball. He cuts it well up in the air. He clears the infield and into the boundary. Nice way to open the account for Captain Irshad Ahmed. Restaurant through the offside. Consecutive boundaries for the Anil Rathod. Oh, full toss ball. He hit that one right down the ground. Into the stands for a mighty six. It's up in the air. Skanhaya. Abdul Jabbar takes the catch. Really nice catch this is. He judged it to perfection. And hold on to it nicely. This time through the onside, over mid on fielder's head. One bounce into the fence. Excellent shot from Anil Kumar Rathod. He goes high, up and high and handsome. It's into the stands again. What a shot. He goes big, up and high. What a shot. Into the road. Oh, what a beginning. What a shot this is. Good shot. Nicely flipped that one to the deep wicket area. And the boundary added to the total. Goes for a big straight on the ground. This time no need for that. What a shot from Anil Kumar Rathod. Boundary signal by umpire Sudhindra Joshi. That was it with tremendous power. Over the bowler's head, straight on the ground and into the boundary. Man at mid on and mid off in place. No chance whatsoever. That rocket to the fence. It's up in the air and it's long. Oh, Prashant Wani takes a catch. What a catch this is by Prashant Wani. And would you believe it? Nicely drives to the offside, straight to the fielder. Makes up in between the wicket. And this time we saw, in fact, it's Asif Khan who is out, run out. So two back-to-back wicket. Good shot, it's up in the air, Vishwanath Padiwal. And taken by the bowler himself on that time. Another wicket goes. Golding jogs back onto the stumps. Well played through the deep third man area. One run taken. Can they turn back for the second? They turn back for the second. So 2 runs comfortably added to the total. 138 for the loss of 9 wickets. 20 overs completed. Santraswadi strikers, they need 139 in 20 overs. We will be back after the short break. Over to studio.
Played away on the covers. What a shot that is! Straight away for 4. Tamim opened his account. A wonderful boundary there. The century maker.
Another boundary added to the total. Oh, Tamim want to go for the big, held the outside edge. Into the boundary. Toss ball. What extra cover. What a shot. It went all the way for 6. Magnificent strike from Tamim Hossaini. Good shot. Oh, what a timing. What a placement. Oh, good shot. Straight to the fielder. Oh, what a catch up this is. Misfield from the fielder and into the boundary. Good shot in the air, in the gap and into the boundary. What a shot. Well done. Prashant Wadi clean bowled by Shuraj. Good shot over extra cover. One bounce into the fence. Oh, wait on the leg side. And into the boundary. Wait for the umpire signal. Wide and a boundary. 5 useful runs. He goes big. And it went all the way for 6. Magnificent strike. He goes high. And fielder underneath the ball as it taken. And we have to wait for the umpire signal. 6 signal by the umpire. It's all over. Abdul Jabbar finishes the things nicely. Like a Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He finishes off the innings with a 6. Santraswadi strikers win this match by 5 wickets. Good win for the Santraswadi strikers. Really good batting from Tamim Hossaini, who really given the start for the team. And their mid-order batsman converted that start into a win. Santraswadi strikers, they beat Warriors team by 5 wickets. Over to studio.
And now moving on to match number 16. What a wonderful match we all had to witness. Mominpura Warriors versus Santraswadi Strikers. And Santraswadi Strikers won by magnificent 5 wickets. It's now time to call upon the man of the match. Man of the match goes to Mr. Syed Tamim Hossaini. A cash prize of rupees 2,500 from Khaja Bandanawaz Premier League. Let the claps keep coming. This can also be like a comeback match for Mr. Tamim Hossaini. And a beautiful trophy handed over to Mr. Syed Tamim Hossaini. We all get to see Professor A.M. Pathan Sahab handing over the trophy to Mr. Tamim Hossaini. And I need to mention 70 runs, 37 balls, 11 fours and 1 6 with 2 wickets. Round of applause. I request the officials and the guests to kindly hand over the cash voucher of rupees 5,000 from Mobile Hub for man of the match. And now coming to the very own contest, an initiative taken by Mass Communication Department, which is in B.B. Raza Degree College. Again, an institution run under the umbrella of Khaja Education Society. May I now request the chief guest to kindly pick today's lucky winner. And let's see who the lucky winner is. Hearts pounding.
Muhammad Ibrahim, Santraswadi, mobile number 9986619906.
Thank you. I think so. It's the day of Santraswadi. Here, Santraswadi Strikers have won the match, and one of the localite, Muhammad Ibrahim, has won the contest Women's Zeal. Congratulations. And now I request the guests to kindly pick today's lucky winner for Mobile Hub contest. It's all about a coupon of ₹30, and if you win, you get a cash voucher of ₹5,000 from Mobile Hub. Let's see who the winner is.
Mahbub Bepari 7483662113.
Congratulations. Congratulations, Mahbub Sahab. I request Mr. Anil Kumar to kindly come and grab the cap. Orange cap, most runs currently. I need to mention this. He's getting the cap back. He lost it yesterday and he gets it back today. Many, many congratulations. And all the players are whispering that you deserve it. Congratulations. And keep the cap with you.
Immense opportunity, plenty of opportunity to youngsters from this area to show their talent in the field of sports, particularly cricket, which has been very popular game in this part of the continent, be it is India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh or Pakistan, and now the matches all over the world in the cricketing country is going on. These youngsters have learned the technique of scoring runs, particularly Mr. Matti Morning. I saw his play and I appreciate one point which he mentioned, which is very valid for all the youngsters, all the cricketer. When my friend asked him, what is that which made you to score? He said, confidence. Yes, when you have confidence, you can do many things. And all of you now probably have realized, if you have the confidence, yes, you will definitely do what you want to achieve. And he has shown this, he has proved this. And my friend here, Tamim, also when he questioned him 0-0 and then again 66 or something, he also said he changed his technique. So that was his confidence, and he also said that he will continue to bat accordingly. My compliments to all the winning team. Losers, don't lose your heart. Still there is time for you to improve your technique, your game, build your confidence, and such a beautiful ground, which I think in this part of the city or in city of Gulbarga, we don't have a ground of this type. Excellence facility. Again, compliments to the Vice President and Pro Chancellor, who has been taking personal interest in making and to see that the facilities here are improved year by year, and he has been here continuously from morning late in the night to see that all the facilities are provided, nothing is left wanted. And once again, thanks him for providing this opportunity to youngsters. Once again, thank the organizer for inviting me to witness this wonderful tournament, and I am enjoying it. Thank you so much.
Presented by Keber University and Megaspeed Broadband. Powered by Mobile Hub and Xiaomi. In collaboration with Hash Include. Media partner GoHash. Our associate sponsors include Shaheen Group of Institutions, Orbis International School, Sunrise Hospital, Max, Birla A1 Strongcrete Cement, AN Banquet, Javed Habib, Drishti Eye Care and Shehbaz Electricals.